What are you doing? Huh? Yala, get up. Don't try to blow. Umar, hands down. Hands down. Umar, gutom ka na? Gutom ka na? Talaga? Sige nga. Gutom ka na? Umar, hungry? Oh! Uy! Uy! Uy!
Sila mo.
Shoo! What are you saying? Hila, tell me. Don't luti milaway! Umar. Umar.
Say it. I
Umar.
want to eat.
Hungry? Umar, tummy hungry? Umar, tummy hungry?
Say it.
I'm...
To eat.
I need my food. Ah! Yala, yala. Bite the towel. So, Aida. What do you mean? What? Ta? Mama. Say mommy.
Mama, did you see Aya today?
Tanungin mo.
Omar, did you see Aya today? Huh? Huh? Tell me. Did you see Aya downstairs? Huh? Allah?
Huy! Don't eat the towel! What are you doing? Amor! What are you doing?
Yala, try to move. Yala, move by yourself. Yala, get up.
Woohoo!